Now friends, suppose I have this rectangle or maybe this parallelogram, whatever you can say, and I divide this rectangle or parallelogram, or I draw some parallel lines over here. Maybe I draw one line parallel to this side and two lines parallel to this side. Let's see what happens. So I have drawn one line parallel to this, I just name it. It's A, B, C and D. I draw a line parallel to AB and CD and draw two lines parallel to AD and BC. Now I have to count how many rectangles will be formed, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is very obvious answer, but you must be clear that this is not correct, because this is also one more rectangle. This is one more rectangle. Similarly, we have this rectangle, we have this rectangle. Then if we match this point, this point, this point and this point, will be getting more rectangles, right? So I cannot keep on counting. Now the same funda I'll apply over here as I had applied in the previous question, right? Now in this line there are 4 points. That's 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? See, there were two lines. I draw two parallel lines, so in all there are 4 points. Similarly, on this line there are 3 points, right? So I need to select 2 points from this line. So from 3 I am selecting 2. Simultaneously I have to select 2 points from this line. So from these 4 points I am selecting 2, right? So 3C2 into 4C2, that is 3 into 4 into 3 by 2. So 3 2s are 6, 3s are 18 rectangles will be formed, right? I just give you one example. Suppose I select these 2 points. I just wait a moment. If I select these 2 points from this line, and if I select these maybe 2 points from this line, so what is the rectangle which I'll get is this, this, this and this. This is just one example. A, P, X, Y. I got the rectangle as A, P, X, Y, right? Similarly, I can get other rectangles also. Suppose I select maybe this and this 2 point, and from this line suppose I select this and this 2 points, right? So I just draw the lines and I selected this and this, so this and this, so I got this rectangle, right? So various rectangles I'll be getting. In all I'll be getting 18 rectangles. Now I'm sure the problem will be cleared in your mind, right? Doesn't matter how many lines you are drawing parallel to the given lines, right? You just have to count the vertices. If you are drawing two parallel lines, just add two vertices to them, right? Since here we are having two parallel lines, and counting these two vertices we got the 4 points. Similarly, here I draw the one parallel lines, and counting two vertices I got the 3 vertices, right? So if we are drawing m parallel lines, so the total number of vertices will be m plus 2. Out of these two vertices I need to select 2, okay? And if in this case, if there are maybe n parallel lines are there, so n plus 2 vertices are there, and from these two n plus 2 vertices we need to select 2. So in all we'll be getting these many rectangles or parallelograms, right? Where m and n can be different, as in this case, right? I hope you are clear now. Friends, the same problem or the same concept can be used to find out the total number of squares in a chessboard, right? You try to count on your own. I'll be taking a special session on chessboard in which I'll be describing each and everything about, or we'll be going for a postmortem of chessboard. But before that, you try to find out how many squares or how many rectangles will be there in a chessboard, right? Chessboard of 8 by 8, okay? Obviously 64 is not the correct choice. You just try to find it out using the same concept.